Today I'm in Waterfalls Prospect Gardens and I bring to you an amazing opportunity. These residential stands, they are now open for sale. Waterfalls is very close to town. We are looking at a distance of 7 kilometers from here to Harare CBD, and then it's very close to industrial areas. We are talking of Atbeni, Grenadeside and Southerton. It is very close to schools. There are quite a number of schools that are nearby. It has good hospitals which are also near this location, and there are very good shops that are nearby as well. So let us have a tour of the area so that we get an appreciation of this area. Now let's have a look at the project itself. These stands are in a very good location and neighborhood. They are well serviced, good roads, drainages, sewer systems, etc. Like the place is ready to build. Moving on to the documentation, these stands are coming in with the rightful documentation. The parent deed is available, subdivision permit is available, the layout plan is there, the engineering drawings, they are there. So these are the documentation that you would need for you to do your due diligence if you are interested in these stands. This area is ideal for building your story houses, your duplexes, all those fancy modern houses that you are going to see as we move forward with this video. Like I mentioned, there are 40 available stands which are being sold. So if you're interested in securing a stand in this area, get in touch with the number on the screen as well as the number that will be in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this channel. Until next informative video, cheers.